Do you want to create a GIF or GIF animation or just record your screen to make a short video tutorial about your app? Don't worry, you don't need to install third-party tool. If you have Windows, there is Snipping Tool already there. With the latest update, will allow you to record your screen or your window. You can then export your recording as an MP4 or generate a GIF animation or GIF. Let me show you how this works. Let's go. Here I am on my Windows 11 machine. What I want to do here is a video tutorial about how to use Canva and which template, for example, select and then edit. So to do that, I'm going, of course, to search for Snipping Tool, or you can even open this by keeping pressed Shift-Control-S. Snipping Tool will shows up. In this case, I selected this app, and here I don't want to take a screenshot, but I want to record my screen. So I'm going to select this icon, and then here there is the new option available, window. It's not a classic rectangle, but I want to take just a window. Selected, now new, and if you have multiple windows, now you can highlight the one that you want to take. In this case, the browser, because I want to create a demo about how to use Canva. Okay, I selected this window, now I can press on Start button, the countdown start, and here we go. Now I can select, for example, and display and show which template should you use, and I can start to edit this. Now let me stop this video. And this dropped me in the Snipping Tool page. Here I can save now this one as a MP4, of course, and drop where I want, or I can even select GIF to have and export this recording as an animated GIF. Let me know in the comment down below what do you think about Snipping Tool and this latest feature. I hope you enjoyed. If yes, please consider to subscribe and like. Let me know in the comment if you want to see more video like this one or more other videos about other tools. I hope to see you next time.